This is one of the mistakes majority of AI content creators used to make whenever they are generating their AI movies. Instead of you to start from the top, you went to go and start from the middle. How do you expect your result to be very nice? Okay, now if your AI movie keep on scattering, the face keep on changing, the location is not even matching, as in your video self entire is not even giving you professional vibe, this video is for you. So today's video, I'll be showing you a complete AI master prompt to start generating your AI movie. Okay, so stop from beginning to done. No, you want to be generating a professional movie, not ordinary AI movie. No, for you to start generating a professional movie, you have to make everything to look standard. Now, without not wasting your time, let's dive in. If this is your first time coming across my page, you are welcome. I'm still remain your favorite coach, Velvet Ebube. On this channel, we didn't gatekeep anything about AI free tools that will help us to start generating our AI content in terms of AI movie or our daily lifetime blog with AI. Okay, if this is exactly what you'll be learning for yourself, we advise you stick to this page. Let's dive. The first step is for us to generate our movie title. Now head over to any AI app of your choice and type this. Now act as a professional Hollywood movie producer. Generate 20 emotional and cinematic movie title about family betrayal, inheritance, revenge and wealth. Now pay serious attention here. Under that Hollywood, you can change it to put Nollywood. Under that 20, you can change it to put any number of your choice. Now under that cinematic, you can change it to put either you put 3D animation or you put African folktale. Okay, now under the title about, you can either you use family betray, you use the inheritance, you use the revenge. So you can just use any one of them. Don't copy them like that. Okay, now once you've done, go ahead to send it. Now when you send it, the AI app you are using will generate the title for you. Do you understand? As in, we give you the title. Mind you, what I'm using here is ChatGPT. Okay, now ChatGPT have given me a 20 title and also give me extra the premium. Do you see it? And also give me extra. Okay, and also give me my top 5 most clickable. This is one of the advantage of using ChatGPT. They are doing perfectly well. Okay, so once you just go through them and choose the one you feel like to work with. Okay, now once you're done, that will now take us to the next step, which is for us to generate our full script. Now see under your title. Okay, go ahead to type this thing you're seeing on the screen. Okay, using the selected title, now put in the number of the title you selected. Okay, create a complete movie script with scenes, dialogue, emotions, plot twist, climax, luxury lifestyle settings, duration. Okay, put in the duration of the movie you want it to, like the duration you want your movie, like for how long you want your movie to take. That's the duration. Okay, now use simple Nigeria English. This is where you come to put in your accent. If you wanted to make use of American accent, go ahead to put it. Okay, if you wanted to use normal plain Nigeria English, also go ahead to use it. If put it there. If you wanted to use blocking, also go ahead to put it there. So once you're done, just go ahead to do what to send again. So after that, the AI will go ahead to give you the name of the movie, which you are seeing on the screen, The House of Betray. Okay, so once they give you the name of the movie, they'll go ahead to start giving you the scene by scene movie, especially if it's under dialogue. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, this is up to 15 to 20 scenes. Now when you see your script is ready, all you have to do now, just kindly go ahead from scene 1 to the final scene. Kindly read it and check how they arrange your script for you. If you love what you are seeing, that is very good. So after that, let's enter to the next level. Now step 3 is all about you generating your character sheet. Okay, now still come under your full script. Okay, and type this. Create detailed character description including names, face, skin tone, hairstyle, body shape, age, height, fashion style and personality. Okay, so you writing something like this will help you to maintain and it will help you to maintain an consistent image, so that let it not be like once you start generating your images or you start animating your videos, your video, like their face or their body will start changing. Do you understand? So with this, it can help you to maintain your consistent image. Now, what you do next, just can go ahead to do what, to send it to ChatGPT. When you send, this is exactly what you will see. Character description of the home of the betrayed, which is our movie title. Now we have character one, which is the Sarah, the main protagonist. So they also list their age, the height, and everything. Now we still have the number two, which is Michael King. ChatGPT also add their surnames for us. Now we still have the third one, which is the Daniel King. Okay, we still have another one, fourth one, Victoria King, which is their stepmother. Okay, and also everything about the Victoria King. We still have the main one, Richard King. Okay, so this is exactly how your character design sheet will be like. You understand? So for this movie now, we have up to 7 of them, their main characters, 7 main characters. Okay, so once we done, then we now take us to the next step. Now for our stage 4, we are to generate our scene breakdown. Okay, now this is exactly what you type. After you don't get in your character sheet, this is exactly what you type under it. Okay, break the script into scenes and provide location, environment, character's name, camera angle, emotions, and image prompt of each scenes. Do you understand? Like under your character sheet, this is exactly what you type. When I mean character sheet is under our step 3. Okay, now when you type it, you go ahead to send it. Now under our scene breakdown, okay, we have scene 1. Under scene 1, they also give us the locations, they also give us the environment, both the character, the camera angle, emotions, and image prompt. This is for scene 1, and this is how and now they also have it for the same thing for scene 2. Okay, now what they are doing here is just according to your script, that is exactly like, let's assume that you have 20 scenes in your script. Now when you have 20 scenes in your script, your scene breakdown will still be 20 scenes. If you want to understand it very well, check back my previous video on how you can generate your movie. I have dropped a web tutorial on how you can go about that. So after that, this now take us to the next step, which is called step 5. Now under our step 5 is for us to generate our images. Now how we generate your images? Under your camera sheet, okay, go and generate those main characters they mentioned there accordingly. Okay, use any of your AI app to generate them. Now once you don't generate it, head over to your scene breakdown and start combining them. Okay, now once you're done, that will now take us to the next step, which step 6. Now under our step 6 is for us to start animating our video according to our script. All you have to do, just go over to your scene 1 script, copy it, bring in your scene 1 breakdown image and paste it. If you need a well tutorial on how you can go about that, check my previous post on my page. It's there. Go there and go and learn. Now let me know how helpful this video is at the comment section, and always make sure you share with someone, because many people need this kind of video. Okay, your encouragement matters for us. If you drop a useful comment, if you share, the kind of comments and likes we get will always encourage us to keep on doing more of this kind of videos. Okay, now start generating your videos like professional AI movie production and start posting. If you need any help or you want us to tutor you in anything, make sure you drop it at the comment section. You'll be there to read your comments. And see you guys in my next vlog.